Morning, everybody. It's 8:46 on Friday the 6th. I can't believe that things were so hectic yesterday that I missed Cinco de Mayo. And frankly, I could have used a drink. Okay, this is your pre-opening comment for today. It is number 1267. Jobs number up 428,000. Last month's revised down 39,000. Unemployment rate 3.6%, exactly as expected. Average hourly earnings up 0.3% month over month, up 5.5% year over year. There are some very favorable low numbers that are coming off here. And so things are going to look better than they probably are for, I believe it's 2 months, might be three, but certainly for two. Average work week, 34.6 hours, and the all important labor force participation rate, a miss, and a big miss. 62.2, down 2/10. At 8 o'clock when I came down, the Dow was down 113, NASDAQ down 72, and S&P down 18. As the numbers came out, we were down 48, down 9, and down 10, respectively. Currently, right now, after going positive up about 40, we are now down 48 again in the Dow. And let's see what else we have here as far as that. NASDAQ down 45, and the S&P, I'll give you in a second when it flashes on the screen. In any event, we had there's the S&P. It's down about $11. Earnings, Zillow beat, poor guidance, complaining about mortgage rates, 33.80 down 598 or 15%. Under Armour with a miss and particularly poor guidance, 1165 down 263, 18%. Road, which is a construction company that I follow in my infrastructure sector, a miss, trading 20 even, down 620 or 23%. And Bausch and Lomb does an IPO today. The symbol is BLCO. It's a spinoff from BHC, which is now called Bausch Health Services. The initial offering price was expected, the range was 21 to 24. They priced it way down at 18, so we'll see whether it carries through to the downside from there or whether pricing it lower guarantees a bounce. Oil traded over 110, last is 109.94. Let's take a look at that, because I keep on pointing out 95 to 100, 95 to 100, major area of support, and it looks like we're getting ready to break out again. So far today is an inside day, higher low, lower high, but it is up on the day 1.5%. The gold, I mentioned last night that Dennis was getting along it with a small risk in the 1873 to 75 area. This morning, 1888, up 1280. Silver is up 17. Cotton down a little. Coffee down a little. The dollar down 43 cents. Bitcoin, after yesterday's huge loss, down another 230. It has been lower by about 500, so it was down about 900. And bonds that were down almost 3 points are up 1/4 point, which is not terribly impressive in my book. All right, everyone. let's see whether we get some sort of move to the downside and a reversal up, or whether we get it the opposite way. I'm very concerned about where we close today. If we close towards the bottom, I'm going to be very disappointed and concerned about Monday's action. And just so that you know what those numbers are, let me see. I know I wrote them down here. I believe we are still above the lows from Monday, which is kind of interesting. The low in the Dow was 32,449, and the S&P was 4062. I didn't mention the Nasdaq because the Nasdaq has already broken below Monday's low. So I really think we need to key off the close here. All right, everyone, have a good day and be careful out there. Clearly, this is a tough market.